Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's oneekah. I hope that you guys are well. We're gonna be hopping right into this tutorial. We're not gonna waste any time at all. So first we're gonna be going in with our Fenty Beauty Instant Pro Filter Primer, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes, on my nose, basically the areas that my pores really show themselves. So we're gonna go ahead and massage that in, and then we're gonna move in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I really like this primer. Also putting it underneath my eyes and on my chin, and I feel like it just helps when I do apply concealer for the concealer really to just get on there and do what it needs to do. So I'm gonna go ahead going with that. Afterwards, we're gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty Aphrodite body highlighter. I actually put it on underneath my foundation because I feel like it gives me an inner glow, type of look. So we're gonna be going in with the highlighter first, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And now we're gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, and ever since I started using it, I haven't used anything else. And my shade is gonna be Gingerbread. I just feel like it has the perfect consistency, the perfect amount of coverage. She's just perfect, and it's the perfect color for me. So I'm gonna be going in and blending that out with my Sigma Kabuki brush and just making sure it really gets in there. But it really is like the perfect shade for me. So now we're gonna be moving in with our LA Pro concealer. This is in pure beige, and I go ahead and make a triangle from underneath my eyes, connected down to underneath my nose. And this may not be true, but I feel like this sculpts my cheekbones out. So I really like this. And to really brighten up right at the corner of my eye, I go in with a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 20 and just add a dot of that. And then I go ahead and blend everything out. Okay, now that everything is blended under my eyes, I'm going to be moving in again with the LA Pro Girl Concealer to highlight my chin and my forehead, and go ahead and blending that out. And I just like to work with my concealer in sections so I can make sure that I blend it properly and that it doesn't get too tacky before I'm able to blend it out. So now that my concealer is all on, we're going to go ahead and set it with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I don't remember what shade this is, but I love this banana powder. And yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and let this banana powder sit on the face, and we're gonna go ahead and conceal. So we're gonna be going in with the Black Radiance True Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade Contour to really carve out my cheekbones. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then, so to go ahead and bronze everything out, I'm going to be going in with the Milani Conceal and Correct Concealer. And although this isn't necessarily a contour product, it just gives me a really nice, I don't know, just like a really nice warmth to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that and then blend that out on top of the existing contour. So now that we have everything blended in, we're going to go ahead and carve out our cheekbones with some more of the banana powder. And I just like to do this to make my cheekbones super sharp. Now we're going to be going back in with our concealer to highlight my nose, go ahead and contour my nose. So highlighting the middle first, as you can see, and then following up with a smaller brush to really get in there and contour my nose. So quick hack, and I don't know if this is just me, but I'm not really an eyeshadow kind of girl, but I do like some type of warmth on my eyes. So I'm going in with the same Milani Conceal and Correct concealer, and I'm using that kind of like an eyeshadow. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I just really like the warmth that it gives. And then I also like how it blends in when I conceal my nose, since I just basically follow it down. So I just think it's really nice. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with our banana powder and really just carve out our nose. I put too much, but I only leave it on there for like a millimeter of a second. and then I just brush it away because I don't want my nose to get too ashy, but I do want it to be defined. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush off the setting powder that's underneath my eyes. I feel like it's set long enough, and I don't like to leave it on too long because I feel like it can get ashy. So go ahead and brush it off of my chin and underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna leave it to carve out my contour, but everything else right now is gonna be brushed off. So now I'm just going back in with my Sigma Kabuki brush that probably still has a little bit of foundation left over, just to really make sure that everything is blended out and that it doesn't look patchy. So now I'm going to be going in with my NYX What's the Point, or That's the Point. It's basically like a really small tool, and it makes little circles, and I don't do a look if I don't have moles on my face, so I'm just drawing in my moles. It's probably a little corny, but I just love tiny moles all over my face, so that's what I'm going to go in and do. So yeah. Also, if you guys love this hair, I'm going to be dropping a video on an install. I don't want to call it a tutorial because I'm definitely not a master of wigs in any way, shape, or form, so I don't want to say that I can tell you guys how to do it because I'm definitely not perfect. So but I am going to be uploading that video if you guys want to see it. Now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush, and I'm just going in to add some color, and I feel like blush really brings your face together, and for a long time I was really afraid of blush, but I understand the purpose now. So now I'm going to be dusting off the powder that I was using to carve out my contour, just making sure that all of that is gone. And excuse the lighting change, y'all, but my light definitely died, so I had to figure out how I was going to finesse it to finish up the video. So I'm just going to be going back in with a little bit more of contour, just because I felt like it kind of got muddy a little bit for a second, so I wanted to make sure to bring that out. So I'm just going back in with a tiny bit of contour. Now I'm just going to be cleaning off all of the foundation and stuff that was on my lips, and I'm going to be go ahead and lining my lips with actually the Black Radiance contour color. I couldn't find my lip liner, so I wanted to line my lips, but I couldn't find it, so I just kind of had to get innovative. So I'm just going in with a brush and using the contour color to line my lips, and I actually liked how it turned out. I think it was pretty good, so it might be like a staple that I use from now on. So I'm just going ahead and lining my lips, and I'm going in with Fortune Cookie by NYX and Maybelline by NYX, both glosses, and I'm just layering them on top of each other to get like a really nice, like glossy nude lip. And I really like how it came out, so this really made me a staple, a part of my routine from now on. As I was trying to figure out if there's anything else that I was missing, but I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer Setting Spray. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.